with another video. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. No, this is not S10 at all, but I'm gonna show you what it is. I pre-ordered this in February the 26th and I just got it today. So let's get the box open. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. I'll just cut it from this side. Open it up. Open it up. So it is the Galaxy Watch Active. Pre-ordered it on the 26th. Telling you I wanted this watch to test it out. Well, not test it out, but to use it. So I pre-ordered it. It was $199.99. I ordered this off of eBay, so I got it for $195, a little cheaper. And I want to get the buds in black, the Galaxy buds, so bad. But where I live, Best Buy, they do not have the buds, and they don't know when they will have them. Since this released today and the buds released today, which means you can buy these things in stores today, which means you're supposed to buy these things in store today. This watch has been up on Best Buy's website for a while, since the release date. I mean, since the show of them talking about the watch and the phone. And I said, yeah, I want to have that. And I want to check it out. So here is the watch. Let's unbox it. You can see everything. It says Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. It has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS. Let's crack open the box. It says it is lightweight smartwatch, advanced audio, fitness tracker, HR, GPS. It's swim ready, water resistant, 5 ATM, 50 meters of water. So you can go pretty deep with this. So if I do some swimming, I can swim with it, which is good. But I don't know that I will be putting it in any water. Even though it's able to handle water, I still don't want to do that. So here we go. Let's open up the box. And you're greeted with the lovely watch inside of here. So a lot of people are not really liking the watch because it's smaller. This is a 40. The size of the watch is 40. It has a 1.1 inch screen, which is really small. But I had the Gear S3 Frontier. I sold that. That was pretty big. But this is what this watch will look like on my wrist. Not too bad. Not too small, but not too big. It comes with some extra straps. Put the watch aside. And then you get your charging cable, which is cool. This almost looks like a iPhone, not an iPhone, but a Apple Watch charger, which is different. So you would just sit your watch on top of here like so, and it will charge. And I like that look. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll come back with a review because I will be pairing this watch up with my Galaxy Note 8. So just rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.